Hey, good morning everyone. This is Justin with the Weather Center of Manitoba, coming to you from Brandon with our daily weather update on this January 14th, 2025. And we're going to check out our temperatures quickly across southern Manitoba. Melita, the southwest corner, reached a low about minus 31 at 6:30, now shooting up to minus 25 at 9 o'clock. Brandon, minus 29.6. As we head east, we can look Portage is minus 26, Winnipeg minus 24, and then down kind of south central Manitoba, Morden Winkler area minus 24. Back west a little toward Pilot Mound is minus 30. And then our Parklands region, Wasagaming minus 29, Dauphin minus 24. So temperatures really between minus 24 and minus 30 across southern Manitoba to start off the day this morning at 9 o'clock. Temperatures will warm up pretty quick throughout the day, and we'll show you that data in a moment. Up across the north, we got Thompson, minus 27. Lynn Lake is minus 19, much warmer this morning than yesterday morning. Yesterday morning they were like minus 37 when we checked. And up in Churchill, minus 23, so fairly chilly across much of the province of Manitoba this morning. But there is warmth coming. Weather alerts this morning, we have still an extreme cold warning in effect for the Parklands region of western Manitoba and also the southwest corner of the province. Temperatures near minus 30 this morning combined with winds up to 15 kilometers per hour will lead to extreme wind chills over portions of southwestern Manitoba. And this was issued at 9 o'clock yesterday evening, so overnight last night into this morning as an Arctic ridge of high pressure lies over the region. And the temperatures will moderate throughout the day as the low pressure system crosses through northern Manitoba. So we expect this extreme cold warning to be expired within the hour. So a quick check in on our morning models. This is our NAM model showing our temperatures, and you can see that it's fairly accurate across much of the province this morning. Temperatures between minus 20 and minus 30, but you can see our temperatures surge throughout the day. Temperatures rise to about minus 15 to minus 18 across the south, similar values across the north. Many areas today should at least break that minus 20 mark. And then the temperatures just continue to warm up overnight as we get that warm push and warm surge of air from Alberta and Saskatchewan entering Manitoba by Wednesday morning. Parklands regions in the low minus single digits. Brandon minus 9, Winnipeg minus 15, a little cooler. The cold air holds on to the eastern sections of the province on Wednesday morning, but by the afternoon everybody's really warm. Temperatures at or above the freezing mark through the Parklands region up through Swan River and then up across central Manitoba, Flin Flon and the Paw look to be +1, +2 for a high tomorrow Wednesday afternoon, and across the south highs around the freezing mark. It'll be fairly windy, but at least our temperatures will be nice and warm. And then going into Thursday, it's still going to be fairly warm as well. The southern half of the province, everybody between minus 2 and minus 5 for highs on Thursday afternoon. Looking at our precipitation over the next 2 or 3 days, we see that here's that low pressure system that's impacting northern Manitoba throughout later Tuesday into Wednesday morning. You can see the very strong winds, these tight isobars across southern and central Manitoba, bringing in some gusty winds but warm temperatures with it. You can see our 993 millibar low just north of Churchill by Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, spreading some snow across northern and northeastern Manitoba. Nothing really for southern Manitoba, and then we get our stronger Alberta Clipper and Weather Maker changer coming in for Thursday night into Friday morning, which will bring a pretty good shot of snow to central areas of the province, likely that northern Interlake region back towards Swan River, and then off east into northwestern Ontario by Friday morning. Could bring an area of about 10 to 20 centimeters of snow, and then very strong northwest winds on the backside throughout the day Friday, which brings down our Arctic blast for the weekend and into early next week. Got a very strong high pressure system, very cold temperatures going into Monday, Tuesday next week. That's a high pressure system of 1,050 millibars. Very, very strong high pressure system. Okay, so let's look at our European model here, Friday, and then into the weekend and early next week, showing our cold temperatures with that Arctic blast on the way. You can see that throughout the day Friday, our temperatures drop throughout the day. You can see this surge of cold air is already impacting parts of the northern prairies, northern Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. You can see that by the time we get into Saturday morning, this is about sunrise Saturday morning, everyone is about at least minus 20 or colder, definitely colder across northern Manitoba. Lake over here, minus 29. Tadouli Lake, minus 31, and then Churchill area also around minus 30. And those temperatures continue to sink south throughout the day Saturday. Across southern Manitoba, we get into some very cold temperatures Sunday morning. Lows reaching near minus 30. Across northeastern Manitoba, everyone is minus 30 to minus 33 on Sunday morning. And then back into northern Alberta, you can see the core of the cold air starting to sink in. Lows around minus 35 across northeastern Alberta Sunday morning. And then that cold air really reaches southern Manitoba, also southern Saskatchewan as well, minus 32, minus 34, Saskatoon area, minus 32, Regina, minus 30 for Brandon, and similar for Portage, Winnipeg, and then also extending east into northwestern Ontario. This is a very cold air mass, so temperatures Monday morning at least minus 30 for the air temperature, if not colder. And we can quickly take a peek here at our wind chill values. This is Saturday morning. Wind chills across northern Manitoba anywhere between minus 40 and minus 45. So we're going to be seeing some extreme cold warnings be issued by Environment Canada later this week. And then it gets even colder for Sunday morning. Wind chills approaching minus 40 or colder across southwestern and western Manitoba. And then also our northern interlake and all of northern Manitoba have wind chills minus 45 or colder. And then Monday morning, those colder wind chills head south towards southern Saskatchewan, southern Manitoba. Saskatoon area, wind chills could be minus 45. Brandon, minus 44. And minus 40 wind chill for Winnipeg Monday morning. So that's a little bit on our Arctic cold blast that's coming. Enjoy the next few days. Even though it'll be a little breezy, our temperatures will be nice and warm. So head on out there and take in some winter activities while you can. Have a great day, everyone.